What's good, YouTube? It's your boy WastedWave back with another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get waves with straight hair part 2. So make sure if you guys haven't watched the first video yet, make sure. Bro, chill, bro. What do you want, bro? What? You like the waves? Okay, bro. Just chill, bro. Just keep put the knife down a little bit, bro. Let me see if you got straight hair. Chill, bro. Chill, bro. Chill. Bro. Matter of fact, bro, just take the brush, bro. You do right, man. Matter of fact, just comb for the long run, man. Alright, bro. Chill, bro. You're not even brushing right, man. Alright, anyways, guys. Like I was saying, if you guys haven't checked out part 1, go check that out right now. It's my latest upload before this. And it's part 1, so you'll know which video it is. But yeah, in part 1, I was getting into like what products you're gonna need, what brush you're gonna need, all that, like what you're gonna need to get waves, basically, what to start off with. I got into what haircut you're gonna need to get, you know, that stuff. And in today's video, I'll be getting into more deep into wolfing, how to wolf, and like and combing, you know what I'm saying, like more aspects of getting waves. So yeah, but you know, I can't do all this talking without showing you guys what I got, you know. Let me show you guys my resume, you feel me? I recently just cut my wolf, guys. If you checked out the part 1 video, actually, I was wolfing for 15 weeks, and yeah, I recently cut it like 2 weeks ago. So yeah, this is my week 2 progress, guys. Just cut my wolf off. I lost some progress, guys. I actually cut my hair a little too low. I told you guys I would cut my hair with a 4 with the grain, and I thought I got a little confident, you know, so I cut it with a 3 with the grain. I thought my hair was trained like that. It's not, though. I lost some progress, but it's alright. We still in there, you know what I'm saying? So, are you guys ready? Check it out, check it out. Check it out, guys. You know what I'm saying? Let me fix my hairline a little bit for y'all. Fix up my hairline just a bit for y'all, you know what I'm saying, with the comb. But yeah, check it out, guys. Show y'all guys the whole 360. You guys can see that good. I hope you guys can. Let me know, guys, what you think of my progress. Is it good progress? This is my second wolf, week 2. Let me know any tips, you know, so I can improve my progress. But yeah, that's basically it for my progress, guys. Let me know. You know what I'm saying? Kind of in there, still in there a little bit. But yeah, so let's get into this now. Alright, so in the last video, I basically told you guys what haircut to get to start off your wolf. I didn't tell you guys how long you should wolf, or what to do during your wolf, you know what I'm saying? So let me get into that for you guys, so you guys get a better understanding, so you know exactly what to do. Alright, so basically for your wolf, guys, like I said in my last video, if you want to start off, I recommend you get a 6 against the grain, or a 3 with the grain, you know what I'm saying? If you guys don't know what with the grain or against the grain means, make sure you go check out my last video. I explained exactly what that means, so you'll understand that. But yeah, I'll be talking about what haircut you're gonna need to get after you're done wolfing, and I'm gonna be telling you guys what you need to do during your wolf. So for straight hair wavers, basically, they usually wolf we can wolf a lot longer than medium wavers or like horsehair wavers, because you know their curl length, they reach their curl length a lot earlier than us. So we have to wolf out a lot longer because we don't reach our curl lengths as early as them, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, basically, I recommend wolfing for about 8 to 10 weeks for straight hair wavers, and that's pretty recommended right there. I wolf for 15 weeks. You can wolf for as long as you can maintain your hair, but the recommended time, usually like people wolf for around 8 to 10 weeks. Once you start, as soon as you get your cut, that is day 1, you know what I'm saying? Every week after that is how many weeks you're into your wolf. So that first week after is your week 1, you know what I'm saying? All that. It takes time to see progress, guys. You gotta wait, you know what I'm saying? It could take a month or 2. I know a lot of you guys talking about you've been brushing for like a week and you don't see any progress. That's normal, guys. You gotta wait. You gotta be patient. Make sure you're putting in that work, you feel me? Alright, so basically during this time that you'll be wolfing, you're gonna wanna put in, especially when you first get the cut, you're gonna wanna put in as much work as possible. Brush as much as you can, anytime you can, like anytime at all, you know what I'm saying? Every week, just have a weekly routine, you know what I'm saying? If you guys don't have a weekly routine, go check out my video. I have a weekly routine up already. It's my week 10 progress, I believe. It's a good weekly routine for you guys to use. And yeah, just do that every week. Just make sure you're brushing your product every day, and at the end of the week, that wash, you know what I'm saying? That washing style, whatever your progress is at after that wash, that's where your progress is really at. It's gonna show where your progress is really at. You may lose some progress in the beginning from washing styles, but as soon as your hair starts to get trained and all that, you'll begin to start gaining progress from washing styles, and you're gonna see a lot of progress from those washing styles. know what I'm saying? Don't avoid washing your hair. You need to wash your hair. All that product is building up in your hair and all that dirt, sweat, all that kind of stuff, you know what I'm saying? So don't avoid washing your hair, guys. It's not a good thing. It's good to clean your hair. When you're done with your wolf cut, however many weeks you wolf for, once you go to that barbershop, you want to get at least a 3.5 with the grain. You know what I'm saying? Get it with the grain cut. Don't get it against the grain cut because your hair is probably not trained enough to get it against the grain cut yet. I just recommend you stay safe with the grain cut. So I recommend getting a 4 with the grain. But if you think you're confident, you think your hair's trained, you can get a 3.5. But just stay safe with a 4. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so now let's get into the combing aspect, guys. Combing does not give you waves. Combing helps out with your connections and gives you depth in your waves. You know what I'm saying? So if you don't have any waves, there's no reason for you to be combing, guys. I know a lot of you guys saying combing helps you get waves, but it's really just helping you get your connections right. But if you don't have any connections to get right, then you know what I'm saying, there's no point. I also don't recommend that you comb for that long because, you know, we have straight hair, and I've heard some things that guys straighten out their hair from combing too much. I don't know if it's true, but, you know, just stay safe and comb for about like 5 minutes before each brush session. Always comb before your brush session, guys. Don't comb after. It's defeating the purpose of combing, you know what I'm saying? So what I recommend doing is putting your product in your hair, and then, or you can comb your hair out first, put the product in your hair, and then comb again to get that product into your hair, you know what I'm saying? If you guys don't know how to use a comb, I have a lot of my videos, I show how to use combs. I have a video of me doing a comb back. If you guys want to see how long my hair was back then, it was pretty crazy. My hair is still quite long right now, but it's not as long as before, you know what I'm saying? Obviously, I got to cut. For this wolf, though, I think I'm going to go probably like 15, 16 weeks, same thing. Yeah, I'll be doing the same, I'll be using the same method, same products, all that, you know what I'm saying, guys? But yeah, so I'm gonna get more into the washing styles now for you guys. What you're gonna wanna do is, I already have a wash method video up, guys. If you guys haven't checked that out, go check that out if you don't know how to wash your hair. It's a really good method to use. A lot of people have been using it, giving me good feedback on it, saying they gain progress from it. It's a really good method, go check that out. Also, guys, if you haven't already, make sure you guys go DM me your progress on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here. But if you guys haven't, make sure you go do that right now because I will be making a video soon. I'll be rating subscribers waves. So if you guys want to get featured on the channel, you know what I'm saying, just send me your progress. No matter if it's good or not, I'll be giving you tips. I also give you guys tips in the video to see, like, to help you guys out. So you can give one-on-one feedback, you know what I'm saying? It's better than just commenting, and I can't really tell what your progress looks like from your comments, you know what I'm saying? So if you guys send me your progress, it'll be easier for me to help you guys out. You know what I'm saying? If you guys want to get featured on a video, just why not? And yeah, that's basically it, guys. I'll be updating you guys on week 3 progress next week. Don't worry about that. I believe I'll be doing an updated washing style method for you guys. I added a few more tricks and, you know what I'm saying, into my washing style for you guys. But you can still use the other one that I uploaded. It's still a really good method. If you enjoyed today's video, guys, hit that like button for me. Let's try to get 200 likes on today's video, guys. I don't know, that's pretty crazy. That's a lot, I know, but you guys gave me great feedback on my last video. 300 likes, I checked. I really appreciate you guys. You guys are always supporting me. And make sure you guys go check out my lives. I go on YouTube live quite often, do my brush sessions. So if you guys need to watch something, you know, like while you're brushing, you can brush with me, we can brush together, you know what I'm saying? Ask me questions, I do Q&As during the lives. Just check out all that stuff, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's basically it for today's video, guys. Make sure you guys go check out my other uploads. I got a lot of uploads, a lot of methods for you guys to help you guys out. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. And as always, it's way too bien, signing in, signing out. Peace.